Hi, boys and girls, and Happy New Year! Welcome back to our first day back at school. Wow, how appropriate that we are going to be talking about the calendar, months and days of the week. Okay, so let's get started. This is what we'll be talking about today. We are going to be learning about the calendar and how to abbreviate the months and the days of the weeks. That's a big word, abbreviate. Okay, we're also going to go over how many months are in a year. Here's a clue. How many months are in a year? This many plus this many. And what order and different ways we can abbreviate the months, because some of those names are long. All right, we're also reviewing the days of the week and how to abbreviate the days of the week. So you'll learn how to abbreviate the months of the year and the days of the week. Great. At the end of this time, you should be able to say, I can abbreviate the months of the year. And I can abbreviate the days of the week. And lastly, I can recite the days of the week and the months of the year. Let's get started with a fun song because I'm all about the songs. I love the songs to learn with. Here we go.
These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are the months. We'll sing it more than once, and we'll sing it loud enough for all to hear. Say January, February,
March,
April,
May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are the months. We'll sing it more than once, and we'll sing it loud enough for all to hear. Say January,
Everybody now. February, March, April, May, June,
July, August, September.
Sing it, boys and girls.
November, December. These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are the months. We'll sing it more than once, and we'll sing it loud enough for all to hear. Say January, February, March, April,
May,
June, July,
August, September, October, November, December.
These are the months of the year.
Very good, boys and girls. Was that just so much fun to begin our time together with? I think so. Okay, let's go back to our PowerPoint and see what we've got in store for us. Okay, so now that big word that I said is right there on the screen, abbreviation. Have you heard of that word before? Abbreviation. Well, that simply is a short form of a word. Abbreviated, so shortened. An abbreviation is a short form of a word. So Today, we're just going to focus on abbreviating months, right? And the days of the week. But there are so many other words that can be abbreviated. And boys and girls, after this class, I want you to start looking around for abbreviated words. They might be on a sign. They might be on a newspaper, if anybody knows what that is. Or you might just see it around your house. Or your mom might even use one. So you be putting your thinking caps on and look for abbreviated words. And then remember that word, abbreviation. And you can make your parents wonder, how do you know that word? You can see something and say, Mom, that is an abbreviated word. Everybody say abbreviation. Okay. An abbreviation is a short form of a word. An abbreviation begins, it always begins with a capital letter, an uppercase letter, and ends with a period, okay? Because the period is important. It tells you there's more letters following this word, this abbreviated word. Okay, so let's look at the calendar, right? Today, we are on the second day of January in a new year, 2020. Are y'all awake today? Did you stay up late 2 nights ago to ring in the new year? I don't know about you guys, but I tend to sleep through it. I never can quite make it there. So anyway, welcome to 2020. And today we're not on the first day of January. We are right here on Thursday, right? January 2nd, 2020. So we're right here on the calendar. Okay, second day of the year. And this is how you would write it out in the long form with the complete word January and then second, comma, 2020. But now that is quite a big word. It's quite a long word. And if I needed to, just shorten that a little bit, abbreviate it is the proper term. If we needed an abbreviated word for January, an abbreviated version, I should say, for January, it would look something like this. The first 3 letters, and remember, always capitalize that first letter. So there you go. I've got that capitalized. And then the next 2 letters are following. And there's that period, very important period, because guess what? If we didn't have that period, somebody would think you were talking about Jan, her friend Jan. Jan is the name of a person, right? My mom's name is Jan. So if I didn't put a period there, say I was leaving a note for my mom and I just said Jan, she wouldn't even know I was referring to January 7th maybe. Like if I wanted to write my mom a note and say, January 7th is an important date. You need to remember it. It's your son's birthday. She would think, what is she saying? Jan is an important date? Of course I'm an important date, she would think. I'm very nice to take out on a date. But I need to remember that period because that tells my mom or whoever else that this is not about the name Jan. This is about an abbreviated version of the word or the month January. So here we abbreviated January. Everybody abbreviates it like this. Capital J, A-N period. 2nd, 2020. Still says the same thing, still can be read the same way, but there's one other way that we can abbreviate, or I shouldn't say abbreviate, we can shorten this date right up. We can simply say 1, 2, 20, 1-2-20. And the 1 represents the first month of the year. That's where we're at, the first month of the year, January. Okay, so January is the first month of the year. And you might write it this way, or you might see your parents write it this way when they're signing a document, because when you're signing a document, you need to have all that room to sign, to write your name out, to sign your your name, your John Hancock, sometimes they call it, and then just this little itty bitty space to put the date. And that's how we might write it. Okay, so we've already talked about the first month of the year, always, 2020, 2021, it's always, the first month is always January. So we start out with January. And here's how we can abbreviate it. Jan. Don't forget the period. That represents all these other letters. That's telling the person, oh, there's more letters after this word right here. So they're not talking about Jan, my mom, or a person. They are talking about the month. Okay. The second month of the year, how many of you already knew this? How many of you already knew this? The second month is February. Okay, that would be the second month. Now, how are we going to abbreviate or shorten the word February? Well, we're simply going to mimic what January did. We're going to take the first three letters, make sure there's a period there, making sure we have a capital F, and voila, we have February abbreviated. Okay, but now here's the third month. The third month is March, right? March is pretty short. Why do we need to abbreviate it? I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Who cares? But no, we can abbreviate March because we might need to shorten it. We might have a little itty bitty space. So the third month, we do just like January and February, the first three letters. Are you catching on? Are you seeing a pattern here? Capitalize that first letter. Don't forget to capitalize it. It's no good if you don't capitalize it. And then AR, period. Don't forget that period. They could think you're talking about Mars if you didn't put the period, right? Okay, here we have the fourth month. Fourth month, April. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a short month. We don't need to abbreviate it, but there is a way to abbreviate it, and here you go. Same pattern. First three letters, capitalize the first one, add that period. Good. Fifth month, May. Think a minute, boys and girls. Have you ever seen this abbreviated? Because I don't think I have. I mean, the only way to shorten it is to use the number 5. So this one's not abbreviated because 3 letters, right? That's how we abbreviate. We shorten it down to 3 letters. There's already 3 letters here. Forget it. May is great. It's all on its own, abbreviated, so to speak. June. That has 4 letters now, not 3. But it's still so little. And that is the 6th month, boys and girls, of the year. So right here, there's 12 months in a year. So where is number 6? Right smack dab in the middle. Number 6 is June. It's an awesome month. I love June. I love it. It's summertime. It's time to just go barefoot and just have fun outside. And also, it's a very important month. Happens to be my birthday month, right in the middle of the year. And so is my son's. Anyway, we don't abbreviate it. It stands alone. It's good all by itself. 7th month. That's a fun month too. July. Now that's short as well. And again, no abbreviation necessary. Okay, the 8th month is August. How many of you think we're going to abbreviate this one? I think so. We need to abbreviate this one. And guess what? Same pattern. 3 letters. Simple dimple, right? Simple dimple. Just the first 3 letters. That's how you abbreviate so far. Every single month so far that we can abbreviate, 3 letters. The first 3 letters. Can you see my 3? Let me see it. Turns this way. The first 3 letters, right? No problem. We got this. Okay. September. Here's September, right? You think first 3 letters? Think again. Ha! They tricked you. It's the first 4 in September. I think it's because it is the longest one we've got out there. I think. I'm just assuming, but I really think so. This is a long, lots of letters, long month. September, 3 syllables, right? September. Okay, so that one, first 4 letters. Remember to capitalize that first letter when you're abbreviating, and don't forget the period. Good job. So that's the 9th month. Here we have the 10th month. This is a long one too. So we're just going to simply go back to the pattern of the first 3 letters. November, the 11th month. Oh, that means we're getting to the end of the year, Thanksgiving and turkey and mashed potatoes, and don't forget the stuffing and the pumpkin pie. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, November is the 11th month, and again, same pattern. First 3 letters, capitalize the N right there, N, and don't forget the period. Okay, last but not least, and we all just experienced December and all the fun times of gathering together and just having a good time. So the 12th month is December. And again, voila, first 3 letters. So every single month that we can shorten, for the most part, is the first 3, except for September. 4 letters, right? 4. Capitalize the beginning and put that period at the end. Don't forget that. Don't forget it. Okay, so here's a little trick for you. Here's a little quiz. Okay, not a trick, but a quiz. Here we have an abbreviated word here. What month does this represent? What do you think? Is there any S's anywhere? Oh, just right here. Oh yeah, first letter, always first letter capital. There you go. This is the abbreviation of what? September. Hey, pop quiz. What number month is that? What number do we put? Let's see. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. How many? I have all my fingers up but 1, 9, unless I grew another finger. Okay, 9. It's the 9th month. January. Here we go. Here's the abbreviated form of January. What's this one? What's this one? Excuse me. This one is, you guessed it, August. Right up there, August. What number is August? That's right before September. So right before September, number 8. Okay. Let's see. What's this one? I almost gave it away. Oh boy, there you go. There you go. Just look for that beginning letter. March. What number is March? What month is March? January, February, March. It's the 3rd month. Okay, and here we have another abbreviation of, what do we have left? This one, this one, this one. Okay, you guessed it. I can't fool you guys. You know this is February, but what month is it? What number? January, February, the 2nd month. Here we have October, and that's the 8th month, in case you were keeping track. And now, and finally, April. You notice I didn't put June or July here, right? We didn't put June or July. Why? No abbreviations for June or July. Okay, good job. Let's move on to days of the week, and I want to present another fun song. Sing along.
Station.
Don't forget to sing along. That's the fun part. And Bob.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Saturday.
7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Days are in a week. Like to sing them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Days are in a week. Try to do this one.
I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like
Oh, that's fun. Ready?
them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Days are in a week. I like to sing again. Days are in a week.
I like it one more time.
Days are in a week. Yay! Okay, good job, boys and girls. I just thought I'd keep my camera on and sing along with you. All right, so let's talk about the days of the week. And here we have them. Okay, so now this is the month of January that we're looking at. But at the top of the calendar, right at the top of the calendar, is usually the days of the week. And the first day of the week is Sunday. Sunday fun day. Monday run day. I forget all that. That was a book I used to read, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so the first day of the week is Sunday. The second day of the week is Monday. The third day of the week is Tuesday. The fifth day of the week is Wednesday. Oh, it's like June. It's right where? Smack dab in the middle of the week. Wednesday. Sunday fun day. Monday run day. Maybe you guys can get that book out if you have it at home and read it. Anywho, let's keep going. So here we have the word Sunday. How are we going to abbreviate Sunday? Okay, put your thinking caps on. Put it on tight. Get it on. Okay, think about this. How did we abbreviate all those other words? What's the rule? Capital at the beginning, period at the end. And usually, yes, usually it is the first 3 letters, but not always. Usually. There's exceptions. Okay, so here's how we can abbreviate Sunday. What about Monday? Monday comes and you need to abbreviate it sometimes, right? Especially Mondays. I need sometimes an abbreviated version of Monday. Do you? Can you relate to this? Okay, so again, same pattern. 3, count 3 letters. Remember to capitalize that first letter, uppercase, and then don't forget the period. Do not forget the period. Okay. Okay, now we have Tuesday. We're still not at the middle of the week, but we're close. We're getting there. We're getting through the week. Tuesday's come. Tuesday is the exception, boys and girls, to the rule of 3. First 3 letters, right? Nope, Tuesday doesn't do that. It's a little bit longer. Tuesday is going to keep 4 letters. Partly probably so it doesn't end with just a 2, like T-U-E. I mean, let's end it, instead of with a vowel, let's end it with a letter S, I guess. Anyway, Tuesday, 4 letters. Capitals, capital, uppercase for the first letter, period at the end. Good job, boys and girls. Are you still with me? Now we're at the middle of the week. Sometimes called the hump day, because see, kind of go like that. Wednesday's in the middle. You start climbing up. You get to Wednesday, you climb down, right? Okay, good. Wednesday, still 3 letters, still following that good pattern, right? Okay, so Sunday and Monday were 3 letters. Tuesday was 4 letters. Wednesday was 3 letters. Guess what? We got a 4-letter abbreviated word here, folks. Right there, you see it? Yep, that's it. Thursday, don't forget to add that S and period, and make sure you've got that capital letter right up there. But you know when I said Tuesday probably just didn't want to end with a vowel? Friday is the exception to that. Friday ends with a vowel, and he's okay with that, or she's okay with that, because it's just 3 letters. 3 letters. It's fine. We can handle that. Okay, Saturday. Yay, we get to Saturday. And that one, you must always remember the period, because if you do not put the period, especially on Saturday, people are not going to understand. When you put sat in the middle of a word, you say, please turn this paper in on sat. They're going to think, what is she talking about? What is he talking about? Wants me to sit on this, or I don't understand. So periods are important. What do? The period represents that there are more letters to this word than meets the eye, okay? All right, boys and girls, you got this. Now, here we have a quiz, pop quiz. How do you abbreviate Sunday? Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. You can look over here what begins with an S. I've got 2 choices. 2 choices. SAT or SUN, period. Oh, SUN. Oh, there you go. Okay. So that's how you abbreviate Sunday. Mondays to follow with 3 letters. There you go. There's the M-M-M-M-O-N, Monday. Tuesday, T-U-E-S, period, capital T-U-E-S, period. And Wednesday, just 3 simple letters, capital W-E-D, period. And then we've got Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. One of my favorite days of the week. Okay, name that abbreviation. What is it? Put your thinking caps on. Say it out loud, boys and girls. What is that word? What is it? You said December. You got it right. The 12th month. Okay. There's another one. What is that? What is that abbreviated for? What month? It's the 3rd month. I'll tell you that. It's the 3rd month. We'll be experiencing it soon enough, where the snow comes even more up here anyway. Okay, that's the 3rd month, and that is March. Oops, sorry about that. And now we've got our 4-letter abbreviated word, S-E-P-T, period. Oh, capital S-E-P-T, period. That's the 9th month the 9th month is September. Good. That's the beginning of school usually, right? That's a good, fun month. I like September. Oh, this isn't a month, is it? I don't, unless it's abbreviating the word month. No. It's a day of the week. What day of the week is this, boys and girls? This is Monday. Okay, Monday. There's the abbreviated form. There's the word Monday. Okie dokie. Oh, I almost said it, because see, I'm so used to abbreviated words for days of the week and months of the year that I can just say, that's Friday. And that's the way you'll get too. There's Wednesday, right? There's April, right? The 4th month. And there's March, the 3rd month. And this is fun. It's October with all the fun leaves, and it's the 10th month. Oh, here's Sunday Fun Day. Woohoo, Tuesday. I hope you're all saying it with me. Saturday. Right? This is a month, 2nd month of the year. Next month we'll be experiencing it. February. My birthday month. Woohoo, summer. Oh, no abbreviation, but it's the 6th month of the year. There's August, 8th month of the year, and the current month we're in, the very 1st month of the year, January. How appropriate. Thursday. That's it. You guys got this. So rewatch this video if you want to memorize those months and days of the year, and have fun with it. And here's our I can statement. So at the end of this lesson, you should know now, you should be able to say, I can abbreviate the months of the year. Can I do it perfectly? Maybe not perfectly. Maybe you still need practice, but you can still say, yes, I have learned this. I understand it. That's what these I can statements are about. They're telling you, they're reaffirming what I just taught you, right? They're just saying, this is what you should be able to do now. Not perfectly, you're still learning, but you can say, I can abbreviate the months of the year. I can abbreviate the days of the week, and I can recite the days of the week and the months of the year. Boys and girls, will you do me a big, huge favor? If you can say yes to these statements, or somewhat yes, can you answer in our classroom, in our math classroom, on the private comments, just say yes. If you can't, say no, but just one time, yes or no, okay? Simple, simple, simple. And again, I'm not asking for perfection. It's simply saying I understand that months of the year are abbreviated. I understand the abbreviations of the days of the week, and I understand the order of the weeks and the months of the year, right? And if you watch this video again and play the fun songs attached to it, you'll be able to do it more and more. I'm going to end with this fun song. Ready? This is kind of a fast moving, just watch the pictures kind of song. All right, so there you have it, right? Yes, great job, you guys. Everybody, I'm going to, let me just go to the final slide. But listen, I am going to post some other fun activities on our classroom, on our math classroom. So check it out. And in addition, what I think I'm going to do is not only will I post this great, fabulous video, but I will separate the 3 videos that we watched into separate links. So you can just say, oh, I just want to know, I just want to review the months of the year, or I just want to review the days of the week, or I like that fun ending song. I'll have all those separated as well from the actual video of this class. So great job today. Take care and Happy New Year.